Sounds more like it. All right, Nick, thanks. Right now, rescuers are searching for two more miners missing in a cave complex in Laos. 5 other miners made it out alive. 4 of them actually walked out on their own. Monsoon rains flooded the cave, trapping the villagers on May 21st. Friday, one of the miners was saved. Then, as rescuers were suiting up to go back in on Saturday, the miners saw water levels drop and scrambled out on their own.
What was your reaction when you see them emerge out of the cave?
When the jaw drops, that's exactly what I was like. What? Like, are these the miners? Because you can't, they're all covered in mud. Everybody looks the same.
Right after those miners got out, the cave was once again flooded by heavy rain. It is too dangerous to go back for the other 2 miners, so rescuers are pumping out water while scouring that mountain for alternative routes.